Hey everybody, welcome back to another video here on Telcult Guy. So today I'm gonna show you how you can remove a background in Adobe Photoshop. So currently we are in their main website. So here you can already see how you can remove a background. So if you upload an image just like this one, automatically there will be an option if you want. They will prompt if you want to remove a background. So if you want, just click on remove background and automatically Adobe or Photoshop will remove it for you, just like this. And then you can either change the background through the photos that they have available, or you may also upload an image. Now, another way for you to remove a background is using the tool, specifically the brushes. So you can remove the back after removing the background, there are some bits of it or it won't be a perfect removal of the background. So you can use the white brush tool to reveal and the black to conceal any remaining unwanted pixels, just like this one on the screen. So it will look like this one. It will refine the edges way better than the automatic removal. So as you can see here, there is still some of the old background left here. So you can remove that with the brush. And of course, you can change the background as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in your Photoshop journey. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and the subscribe button as we will feature more videos just like this only here on Telcult Guy.